and welcome to this construction class. My name is Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, so for today we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen. It says the figure shows the views of a triangular pyramid mounted on a triangular prism in first angle orthographic projection. Okay, so the very first problem here is to draw the given views, so which means we have to produce the front view and the what and the elevation. So how do we do that? So the very first thing I'm going to do right here is to produce a horizontal line in this order. Okay, after producing that horizontal line, I'm going to produce a vertical line to it, like this to it. All right, so the height of the base, I'm starting from the plan. Okay, from the plan. So the height I'm having there on that plan is height of 70, and that is from this 0.7, which is that right there. Okay, then the next procedure, I'm going to pick my compass. I'm going to measure 70, which is this. With 70, I stand right here, I draw a faint arc. With 70 standing on mark 70, I draw the second arc. So with that, I produce this like this right here. Okay, this like this right here, then this like this right here. So right at the center, I'm going to project a faint line, horizontal line. Okay, which is this faintly. All right, so after doing that, the next procedure is this. I'm going to actually bisect this angle here. Okay, I'm going to bisect that 1 and 2. I'm going to draw the bisector faintly. Okay, like this. Then from this junction to where the bisector touches the vertical line there, like this also. So with my ruler, following this line here, I'm going to measure mark of 10, which is this right here. Likewise from the bottom here, mark of what? 10, which is this right here. So those mark of 10, I'm going to join them all together like this. This comes down here. Okay, that is settled. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of my set square. Okay, so I'm going to actually draw a parallel line, okay, to that mark of 10 here. So to this mark right here now, I'm going to draw this. Okay, drawing that right here, then I can join this to this right here like that. Okay, so then I have my complete plan as it stands. I'm going to thicken it out now. Okay, so since our plan is right there now, so I'm going to produce my front elevation. So from here, a mark of 10 first of all. Okay, I'm drawing this faintly also. So I'm going to project each of these points right here to the top. Starting from here, I'm projecting this like this to the top faintly. I'm projecting this junction also right here to the top. All right, yeah, that center to the top, and this area, okay, to the top also. So after doing that, we are told that the base of our elevation is 25. With mark 25 from here, I draw, and I'm going to draw that out boldly like this. Okay, and I'm going to thicken this. Okay, I'm going to thicken this, then thicken this. All right, so we are told that the height from the base is what is 80. So height of 80 from the base, which is this right here. So from this height here, I'm going to join it to this junction here like this, and from here to here like this. Okay, so we have the front elevation and we have the plan. So now we were asked to produce problem number 2, the auxiliary elevation looking in the direction of ROP, and our ROP is at 45 degrees to the horizontal plane. This is it. ROP is 45 degrees to the horizontal plane. So how do we do that? Okay, I'm going to pick my 45 degree set square and project all the junctions right here. So I call this mark A, B, and C. Okay, so I'm calling this mark small letter A, small letter B, and small letter C. Okay, take note. And this apex, I'm naming it mark O. So I'm going to project each of those points on the plan to the area at 45 degrees. So this is my A, okay, followed by mark small letter A. All right, so I don't need this. Let me take this horizontal line out of the way first. Okay, yeah. So next is mark O faintly to the top, then mark small letter C, then mark C uppercase, mark small letter B, and mark B itself. Okay, so that is it. So right here on my elevation, this junction here is standing for A and C. Yeah, this plane is what A and C, this plane is what B. All right, so this area is small letter B. Okay, this area is for small letter A and A and C. Right, this area is mark O. So this is what is going to happen. I'm going to project each of those points out first of all towards, okay, yeah, so that junction, this. So I'm going to pick my set square. Okay, let me get my x1 y1. Okay, I'm going to make my x1 and y to be here, right here. So this is my x1 y1 plane. So take note of that. So from here now, I pick this right here. Okay, so from here now, okay, I call the distance from this area mark P. So this is my mark P. Here to here is my mark P. Take note of that. The distance from this junction to this area is called Q. So here to here is Q. So this is my mark Q right here. So I'm going to project them at 45 degrees also. Alright, so and don't forget, we said these are A, small letter A, this O, this small letter C, this capital letter C, this small letter B, and this B. So if you are looking at it from this direction, I'm saying B to A. So my B to A is here to here. So I'm going to pick my ruler and taking it out first of all. B to A. Tick line B to A. So the height here, okay, which is visible to everybody, I'm going to pick that also. Okay, the area is settled like that. Okay, so this mark of C, we know it is actually there, but we can't see it when looking from here, but we know it is there. So I'm going to show that like this, hidden. Because we are looking from here, we can only see this and this, we can't see this capital letter C. Okay, now so our B, which is right here, so this is my small letter B right here, and my A, this is my small letter A right here. So this area of O, this O right here, so I'm saying this like this, I'm saying this like this. Okay, now this area of small letter C, I can't see it, but I know it is actually there. So this is it. Okay, that also goes to the what? To the apex. Small letter C to the what? To the apex, which is this. Alright, so that is it. So that is the solution to the problem on the screen right there. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. My name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing or Lalekon. Thank you.